We've come a long way in this section, diving deep into the world of digital music production, from understanding the role of audio interfaces to navigating the vast landscape of DAWs. We've covered the foundational tools you'll need to kickstart your journey in musical production. In today's digital age, the ability to produce music from the comfort of your home or studio opens up a realm of possibilities. Whether you're looking to record your own tracks, produce for others, or simply experiment with sounds, the tools and knowledge you've gained here will serve you well. Now it's over to you. I encourage you to set up your digital studio, experiment with your DAW, and start recording some test takes. In the next chapter, we will be looking at what to do with them once they're recorded. And remember, every great producer started with a single note, a single idea. So dive in, explore, and let your creativity flow. And don't forget to share your creations with our community. We'd love to hear what you come up with.